Hey everybody, Eric with Adventure Experience here, and yeah, we're talking about writing. We're talking about how much writing can you do by yourself? Answer: an awful lot. But you know, as a writer, you eventually come to a point where you need the help of someone else. You need a team who can help you with the publishing side. Writing, we do plenty of that solitary, but when it comes time to publish, right, even indie publishing, we talk about self-publishing. Just to let you know, nobody publishes a book by themselves. It's a team of people that come together. Even like rock climbing, right? You can get to the bottom of the rock climb, but when it's time to go up and have fun, you need a partner. Hey guys. Yep, the first draft, second draft, third, fourth, and fifth draft, all those self-edits, right? All those rounds of self-editing, passing around to your friends. But then it comes time to find someone who does covers. Then you gotta find someone who does interior formatting, typesetting. Then you gotta find someone, right, who does like high-level editing, low-level, right? Proofing, we can kind of do the proofing ourselves. But don't always think, just because Word didn't put a squiggle under it, that it's correct. True proofreaders, line editors, these guys come into the equation pretty quick. The question is, where? Where are you gonna find all these guys, right? I have an answer for you. Stand by. We're breathing hard now. Okay, feeling better now. Just a quick scramble. Yeah. Yeah. Now we're feeling good. Wipe that off. Hey guys, because like I said, there comes a moment when you do need help, right? When you do need a partner with you, and that time, well, that time is right about now, because now I'm actually on relay. So yeah, I'm very interested in the person down beneath me, keeping me safe. I'm interested in my partner. How about your partners? Who do you have for interior formatter? Who do you have for cover artist, right? How many people are you gonna pull in to make this thing a reality, right? And maybe you're just gonna go to hybrid publisher, right? Let them take care of it. People will do the work for you if you give them, well, money. And if you have more money than you have time, that's a great solution. Find out who's reputable though. Best place to do all this, a writers conference. Are you kidding me? Yeah. And it's even better, I got a virtual writers conference for you. That's right. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to hang off the side of a cliff or anything like that. That is a ways down, isn't it? You don't have to hang off the side of a cliff or anything. No. You can do it right where you're at. You can do it on your sofa. You can do it on the back porch. Come on, you guys. How cool is that? Sitting there, just listening to all kinds of industry insider tips, tricks, trends, and all kinds of education. Everything you're wanting to know for that first book or several after that, there's something for you at the Write His Answer Writers Conference. That's right. It's the Colorado Christian Writers and the Greater Philly Christian Writers Conference combined. I'm tempted to talk with my hands right now, but I can't. So you do that little slap your hands together, as in one big event plus a second big event equals one huge event, okay? This is where you guys win. Whatever you're doing, whatever you're into, if it's proposals, if it's platform, if it's your first book, if it's your third book, whatever you are at in your writing journey, you're gonna find something of value. You're gonna find a trillion things of value. Most of all, you're gonna find other writers. You're gonna find writers to buddy up with, to community up with, to connect together, to support each other, to encourage each other. But when it comes time for the team, let's make sure we've got a team. Hey, don't wait till you're thirsty to dig the well, you guys. Invest in that network now. How about a writers conference? How about the Write Is Answer Writers Conference? It's coming up May 11th through 14th. Find all the information online and right underneath wherever you're watching me talk right now. Jump in, it's not too late. You can get your team together now and make those writing dreams a reality. I would high five you too, but again, like, yeah, it's just not gonna happen. Even the birds are like chirping at me, like, what are you doing, sir? I'm shooting promo videos, guys. It's okay.